Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the apps running. Install Microsoft 365 or the App Store versions, then sign in with your Microsoft ID so licenses unlock. Once installed, open Word or Excel from Launchpad and grant files and notifications access. This allows saving to iCloud and local folders. Make sure your Mac OS is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Next, create a new document or workbook. Choose a blank template to begin. Do this now so you can follow the next steps. You now format and structure your document or workbook. Create a new file and pick a template if you want layout help. Use the ribbon Home for text styles, Insert for images or tables, and Layout for margins and columns. In Excel, use formulas and data to build calculations. Once done, enable autosave and choose iCloud or on my Mac so changes persist. Make sure to name files immediately and organize folders. This prevents lost work and speeds later retrieval when you need to share or export. You finish by saving and exporting correctly. Use Save As for alternate formats or share to send a OneDrive link and set view or edit permissions. Once done, export to PDF if you need a fixed layout. If something goes wrong, first quit and relaunch the app, then check for Office updates and sign-in status. If files won't save, confirm iCloud or folder permissions and free disk space. One final tip: restart the Mac if activation or sync still fails, as this clears many transient errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.